Hi everybody, it's Katie, and today we're going to be doing a Harbor Freight haul. If you don't know, Harbor Freight is a store that sells discount tools or just cheaper than the regular hardware store prices. And they have a bunch of tools that you can use for your jewelry making, so we're going to see what I picked up at the store the other day. So here we have it, my Harbor Freight haul. Let's go through it and I'll tell you guys what I got. Okay, the first tool that we have here is some noise canceling earmuffs. These are rated up to 26 decibels. We're going to take these out and see how they compare to the ones that I already have. I grabbed the ones that I already had. These are actually for $34, and these are only 26. So the way that I figured I would test this is with my little anvil peat and hammer and see how loud I think it sounds with the one versus the other, and if I think I need the extra decimal places, which to be honest I probably will, but we're gonna try this out. Definitely helps headphones versus no headphones. We're gonna try these ones. Yeah, you can tell a difference between these and these, though I don't know if this has some kind of weird noise canceling technology. I didn't put any batteries in these or anything, but maybe we should read the instructions. It says, turn the knob on the earmuffs to the on position. Make certain that the light inside the earmuff illuminates. If the light does not illuminate, correctly install properly charged AA batteries before use. Okay, so apparently these do take batteries. We are going to put some batteries in here and try them again. I don't know. Let's try them. I don't feel like that did anything. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. The noise canceling headphones were also a no for me. These were $14, and I looked on Amazon. I found higher rated ones. These ones, I'm not really sure what the battery is supposed to do, but the batteries didn't work. So these are a no for me because I found higher rated ones on Amazon for about the same price. So these are also a no. Our next tool that we have is this guy here. It's a 28-piece transfer punch set. And when I saw this at Harbor Freight, I immediately thought jump ring mandrels. So we're gonna try these out and see what sizes it comes with and try them out as jump ring mandrels. Okay, so we have this guy here, and I paid a total of $11.99 for this, which is a great value if it works. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Look at this. It looks pretty cool to me. Okay, so I wound some jump rings in an 18 gauge on a few different sizes to give me some options. Let me go saw cut these and I'll be right back. Pretty nice. I think this is a yes from me. And our next tool is electric foot pedal. I have one of these on my flex shaft machines, and I have some ones for classroom use, and one of the foot pedals stopped working, and so when I saw this at Harbor Freight, I thought, perfect, I can pick up an extra one to replace the one that broke. So we're going to try this guy out as well.
The foot pedal is a no from me. It was not adjustable speed. Basically, it was just on and off. I tried 2 other foot pedals that I had, both my four-dum one and one that was on a Euro discount version, kind of flex shaft. And this, no, this will be going back.
And lastly, we have a 25-piece doming block and punch set. These are great if you're trying to make bead caps or hollow form beads, something like that. And I already have one of these, not from Harbor Freight, but the box anyways looks exactly like the one I have, so we're going to give this one a try as well. This stamping block set from Harbor Freight, I did spend $39.99 on, so it was the most expensive thing that I picked up. This one, truthfully, I don't know how much I spent on this guy. It was quite a while ago. Ooh. Packaged really nice. Everything's in its own little box here with little styrofoam cubies to keep it from moving around. We've got our wood base here. Let's compare the sizes. So according to the wood stand that it comes with, it has the same markings as this one does. It says that they're all the same size, so right off the bat it's saying that we're getting all the same size as that set that I have there. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. I've got our little cube guy here. He's all oiled up. Let's see. Okay. And it looks pretty darn similar. Let's open up the punches. Again, you get a bag full of oily tools. That just keeps them from rusting until somebody buys them. But yeah, I mean, overall, it looks like the set that I already have. I don't know how much I paid for this one, but I think it was more than $40. So there you go. We're under Harbor Freight. I think this looks like a really good value for the doming block.
So this is the set all cleaned up, all that gunk wiped off. Really pretty looking. And all of the punches have like the size number on the side there. This is a yes from me.
Well, thank you guys so much for coming to my Harbor Freight tool haul. If you have any suggestions for other tools that I should check out from Harbor Freight, let me know. I'm going to be doing a video of my top Harbor Freight tools that I have picked up myself in a later video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.